Welcome to our channel. If you're aiming to build a profitable online business, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 6 best ways to make money with 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵, an all-in-one platform revolutionizing how entrepreneurs and marketers grow their online presence. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned pro looking to scale, 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵 offers everything you need to create high-converting funnels, manage email marketing, sell products, and much more, all from a single platform. No more juggling multiple tools or paying for expensive software. The interface is intuitive, the features are robust, and the support team is top-notch. Whether we're seasoned marketers or just starting out, 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵 makes it easy to get started and see results fast. And the best part? It's scalable, so as our businesses grow, 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵 grows with us. In fact, I want to share a case study with you that really drives home the power of 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵. One of our users, Sarah, was struggling to make ends meet with her online business. She was spending hours every day trying to manage her sales funnels, email marketing, and automation, but she just wasn't seeing the results she wanted. That was until she discovered 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵. With 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵, Sarah was able to create a high-converting sales funnel in just a few hours, automate her email marketing campaigns, and seamlessly integrate with her social media platforms. The result? She increased her passive income by over 500% in just a few short weeks. 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵 is more than just a tool. It's a game changer. It's a system that allows us to create multiple income streams, automate our marketing efforts, and scale our businesses with ease. And the best part? It's accessible to anyone, regardless of skill level or experience. In a nutshell, 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵 is the ultimate solution for marketers looking to create passive income streams effectively. It's a powerful tool that simplifies the process of creating sales funnels, email marketing, and automation, making it easy to boost our passive income. So, without further ado, let's jump into the 6 best ways to make money with 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing provides a great opportunity to earn income by promoting other companies' products or services. With 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵, you can create optimized landing pages with its drag-and-drop builder and design pages to convert visitors into customers. The email marketing automation helps you build and manage targeted campaigns, ensuring your affiliate offers reach your audience at the right time. By tracking performance through the analytics dashboard, you'll gain insights into click-through and conversion rates, ensuring the best results. 2. Selling digital products. 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵 makes it incredibly easy to sell digital products like ebooks, software, and templates. Without the overhead of inventory or shipping, your products can be sold repeatedly with minimal effort. The platform's tools help you set up a professional online store, manage product listings, and even build an affiliate program to boost your reach through others promoting your products. 3. Selling online courses. Sharing your expertise through online courses is a fantastic way to generate income. 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵's course builder allows you to upload videos, PDFs, and quizzes, organizing them into modules and lessons. The platform also automates payments, enrollments, and email sequences, allowing you to focus on creating high-quality content while growing your audience. 4. Creating membership sites. 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵 simplifies creating a membership site where you can offer exclusive content to subscribers. Whether you're providing premium articles or running interactive workshops, this is a great way to build recurring income. The platform helps manage memberships, restrict content access, and even integrates with payment processing for seamless subscriptions. 5. Blogging. Blogging remains a great way to generate traffic and income. With 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵, you can build and manage a blog directly on the platform. Its SEO-friendly tools help attract organic traffic, and its integration with email marketing allows you to capture leads from your content, further driving your affiliate marketing or product sales efforts. 6. Become an affiliate for 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵. 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵 offers a highly attractive affiliate program, paying 60% lifetime commissions on every sale made through your referral link. Even users on the free plan can take advantage of this opportunity, earning passive income as referrals upgrade to paid memberships. 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵's marketplace also allows you to promote a variety of products, diversifying your revenue streams. And there you have it, 6 ways to make money with 𝗪𝘆𝘀𝗵. If you've struggled to create a passive income stream in the past, I want to hear from you in the comments below. What's been your biggest challenge? Have you had any successes with System.io or other marketing tools? Share your experiences with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. Drop a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future topics. Also, check out the link in the description to try System.io for free and explore its tools and features.